Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add floating heart overlay in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC application and I'm going to add floating heart overlay to this video. First of all, we need to go to the effects menu and we're going to select the body effect. Okay, in this body effect, we need to go to the background category, and here you can choose the heart overlay that you want. I'm going to select, for example, the heart round. And I know guys, this effect is for a pro user, but don't worry because I want to give you the alternative. Okay, I'm going to add this effect to my video. And this is how the effect looks like. We can change the atmosphere. Alright. And if you are not a premium user, I'm going to give you an alternative way to get the heart overlay. You can go to the CapCut library. Wait, I'm going to go to the library and then we can search for the heart overlay or heart background. Okay, and we can add this floating heart to our video, and I'm going to remove the background of my video. You can use the custom removal if you are not a premium user. Here I'm just going to use the auto removal to make the process faster, but you can use the auto removal using the brush. Okay, and I'm going to change the position. Okay, now it's done guys, and this is the final result. As you can see that the heart overlay has been added to my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add a floating heart overlay in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.